Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Well, in this video, I would like to share with all of you how are we going to apply shell di dalam 3D solid modeling in Autocad. Shell ni dia kita nak hasilkan lubang, okay, pada sesuatu part 3D solid modeling part, di mana wall thickness dia, okay, ketebalan dinding untuk lubang tersebut dia adalah constant. Okay, constant bermaksud sama saja pada ketebalan dinding untuk part 3D part tersebut. Okay, I will show to you how are we going to apply this command in the 3D part, 3D solid part. Okay. Okay, first of all, saya nak hilangkan saya nak disablekan grid lines ni. Personal grid lines ni kalau formula for me kalau buat dalam 3D dia akan macam mengganggu view kita lah. So I'm going to off this one over here, to off this, and I'm going to go to home so that by default dia akan tunjukkan southwest isolated view as usual. Ini macam biasa lah. However, I would like to make sure that my view should be in a parallel condition macam ni. Okay, parallel. Okay, now let's say I'm going to create a line here. I'm going to create a box. Okay, so I'm going to on my ortho. Katakan ini I buat 100 mm. So besar, so I'm going to escape. I move a bit lah ke sini. Okay, now I'm going to continue with, let's say, 60 mm, 100 mm, then I'm going to close this profile, escape, and then don't forget kita kena joinkan. Kita kena joinkan all these entities, these 4 object or 4 entities. This one we need to join it together sebelum kita buat 3D solid modeling. Enter. Kemudian I extrude this one, enter. Upwards or downward boleh. So I nak buat in this case I'm going to make it upwards, let's say 40 mm. Alright. Okay, now katakan sebelum I proceed, allow me to copy few of this rectangular box so that easier for me later on to show to you few examples. Okay, if let's say we go to shaded edges, kita akan dapati bahawa bentuk of course definitely bentuk kita punya box tu, rectangular box tu macam ni lah. Okay, right? So in order to apply the shell command, dia berada pada solid menu tab atau cell ataupun solid menu bar. So you can go to here, dia ada solid editing here. This is shell. Okay, this is shell. Right? Bentuk macam ni, symbol dia. The icon for shell command macam ni. So in this particular case, kalau kita nak gunakan shell, I suggest you, saya cadangkan, okay, you gunakan X-ray. Kenapa? Kerana you boleh nampak garisan-garisan pada bahagian yang di belakang tu. Pada belakang tu kita tak kan? So kita boleh nampak. So kalau kita nak gunakan shell ni, we just need to go to here, click this one, and they will ask us select 3D solid. 3D solid mana? 3D part mana yang kita nak buat shell? This 3D part. Okay. Then jangan tekan enter, jangan tekan apa. Once bila you dah klik je, bila you dah pilih je 3D part tu, dia akan straight away automatically tanya you remove faces. Faces mana yang you nak remove, yang you nak lubangkan. Let's say I'm going to pick the top one. Okay, the top one. Okay, kalau you nak pilih yang ni, atas ni, you jangan pilih dia yang ada garisan ni. Okay, walaupun benda ni berada pada bahagian atas ni, you jangan pilih garisan ni. Kalau nanti dia akan terpilih sekali surface sama ada surface. Kalau you pilih ni kan, sama ada dia akan terpilih surface ni atau terpilih surface ni. Katakanlah you tertekan this one, probably dia akan terpilih surface ni ataupun surface ni. So you just klik pada bahagian top surface ni yang tidak ada, yang kosong yang tidak ada, tak ada garisan. So let's say you can click here, you can click here, or you can click here, as long as daripada atas permukaan ni. So let's say I'm going to click here, click this one. So dia akan berubah warna, dia akan bertukar warna. So selepas you klik, okay, you confirm you nak klik this one, nak buat lubang di sini, you nak remove this face, baru you tekan enter. And then let's say the shell offset distance, katakan saya nak buat 5mm, okay, tekan 5mm, then press enter. Dan macam saya cakap sebelum ni, dari dalam in our previous video, katakan kalau this dialog box keluar, so you just need to exit, then press exit. Kalau tak, you boleh tekan enter sehingga command line ni blank pun boleh juga, tak ada masalah. Okay, either way. So now barulah boleh you go to shaded with edges, ataupun you can go to realistic or shaded, whatever. So in this case, I'm going to pick shaded with edges. Why? Because I will, ataupun I go to 2D wireframe dulu, kerana I nak tunjuk pada you all. Let's say I go to front. Okay, kalau I go to front, kalau you perhatikan, nampak. So this is the wall yang kita dah buat tu. Okay, di mana dia mempunyai constant thickness. Kalau you tengok, sama je, dia constant je thickness dia. Okay, 5mm. From here to here is 5mm. From here to here is 5mm. From here to here is 5mm. Okay, the constant saja. Alright, so let's say if I go to shaded with edges, so kalau I rotate, it looks like that. Okay, alright. So same with this one. Katakan I nak tunjuk this one, I nak buat lagi beberapa shell. So I go to X-ray, go to, bila dah you convert ke, ataupun you change the view to X-ray, so you go to shell, then which solid 3D part, 3D solid model that you're going to do shell. So I'm going to pick this one, pilih je mana-mana, tak kisah mana-mana, pick this one. Then they ask us remove faces. Katakan kali ni I nak remove top faces, okay, dia berubah warna, dan juga pada bahagian tepi ni, click this one, right, then press enter. Dan katakan kali ni dia punya shell offset distance ni bermaksud wall thickness dia, okay, wall thickness yang ni, wall thickness, let's say this time I'm going to make it 3mm. So just press 3, enter. Dan kalau keluar exit ni, yang dalam ni, just press exit and exit. Okay, so barulah you boleh go to shaded edges, dan kalau I rotate, you see like that. Okay, so bermaksud kalau kita tengok di sini, kalau I zoom this one, ini adalah dinding dia yang kita dah buat, di mana ketebalan dinding ni adalah 3mm. Okay, same to go with this one. Katakan kalau I still would like to proceed with shell, okay, dia akan tanya terlebih dahulu part 3D solid part mana yang kita nak buat shell, this one. Okay, so sorry, right. Then they ask us remove faces. So let's say this time I'm going to remove this one, and this one. Nampak dia dah terpilih belakang sekali kan? Nampak? Oh tidak, dia tak pilih belakang sekali. So dia sini. Okay, so kalau kita nak confirm sama ada dia terpilih ke tak, dia tengok yang tu biru kan, biru maknanya dia tak terpilih. Yang dia berubah warna ke grey ni, dia akan terpilih. So once after confirm, press enter, and then they ask us our wall thickness, ataupun shell offset distance. So let's again, I'm going to make wall thickness 3mm. Enter, then exit. Okay, so kalau you perhatikan di sini, setelah kita selesai, kita bolehlah go to shaded with edges, and it looks like that. Okay, kalau kita nak buat lubang tembus, okay, kata sini lubang tembus, or we can just simply pick, okay, let's say shell, which part that I'm going to which 3D part that I'm going to do shell. Let's say this part, Dan faces yang I nak remove, katakan top, and then I'm going to rotate this. Another one is at the bottom here. Okay, then press enter. Barulah dia akan tanya kita punya shell offset ataupun kita punya wall thickness. Wall thickness dia katakan I nak buat 4 mm, dan press enter, dan exit. So bila kita change this to shaded with edges, and we rotate, we orbit ni kalau dia boleh pergi ke sini, tapi ataupun kalau you nak pakai ni kalau you still remember, you tekan shift button pada you punya keyboard, do not release that button, jangan releasekan shift button tu. Lepas tu you punya cursor ni pada button tengah ataupun yang roller button tu kan, roller scroll button tu, you press, jangan lepas juga. Lepas tu dua-dua ni you jangan lepas bila you nak pusing ni kan, shift button pada keyboard ni you press, jangan lepaskan. Sama juga pada mouse button ni. Mouse button ni kalau you lepaskan, dia dah dia akan keluar lah daripada orbit punya ataupun rotation punya command. So sekali lagi you tekan shift button pada keyboard, jangan lepaskan, you press, still press, masih lagi press ataupun masih lagi tekan shift button pada keyboard tersebut. Kemudian pada mouse button, scroll button tu yang pada tengah tu, you tekankan dia dan jangan lepaskan juga. Dan you main-mainkan, gerak-gerakkan lah you punya mouse. Okay, so bila you dah nak exit, you just release. Okay, scroll button tu, lepaskan scroll button tu dan juga shift button tersebut pada keyboard. Okay, you lepaskan. Okay, now now I would like to show to you here. Okay, sekiranya kalau you nak buat any pada part you ni, kalau you nak buat any radius atau fillet. Okay, for this particular case, kalau macam ni is okay, should be no problem. Kerana dia pada bahagian hujung ni. Let's say contoh kalau I buat fillet, I'm going to make it radius. Let's say the radius that I'm going to do is 10 mm. 10 mm, enter. And let's say I'm going to pick this one and this one. Then press enter. Then enter. Okay, sampai dia punya command line blank. Should be okay like this. Same as well as this one. Pasal dia pada bahagian hujung-hujung. Okay, should be no problem. Fillet edge, look, radius, let's say I'm going to maintain 10 mm. Press enter. Then I'm going to pick this one, and also this one. Then once after confirm, just press enter. Masih lagi ada, enter. Alright, so if like this should be okay, no problem. Tetapi kalau dalam case ini, for this case, let's say for example, kalau I nak buat pada bahagian keliling dia ni, let's say I'm going to make pada keliling ini di luar ni, alright, so I'm going to do fillet and then radius, let's say 10 mm. Okay, I'm going to maintain 10 mm, then just press enter. If you pick this one, and this one, bila you dah buat shell ni barulah you buat fillet ni, kita tengok apa akan jadi. So press enter dan enter again. Nampak? Pada bahagian dalam ni, dia tak follow. Kalau I shaded with edges, bahagian dalam ni dia tak follow. Okay, that's why shell ni you buat last kali. Selepas you buat fillet or chamfer or whatever any features you dah tambah pada part you, last kali baru you tambahkan you punya barulah you buat shell. Kalau tak, dia tak follow. Pasal shell ni dia akan follow exactly bentuk luaran dia. Okay, bentuk luaran dia. Okay, alright. So kalau you perhatikan letak ni, even kalau you nak buat kat bawah ni pun, katakan let's say I'm going to create at the bottom here. Okay, at the bottom here, bawah ni, pada bahagian bawah ni, pada luar ni, fillet with let's say again 10 mm, enter. Okay, kalau you perhatikan this one katakan I nak buat pada bahagian bawah ni. So if I click this one, pada bahagian luar, and this one, dan press enter. Kalau perhatikan juga dia, kalau I shade with edges, nampak bahagian luar je dia akan terbentuk, dalam ni dia tak follow. Okay, so it's troublesome for you. Why? Because you need to go to fillet again, radius. Normally kalau luar 10, bahagian dalam dia ni kena 5 lah. Okay, so you need to press 5mm. Pasal kita dah buat radius pada bahagian luar, bawah ni 10mm. So normally kalau kat dalam ni dia punya radius dia akan half. So katakan 5mm tadi kita buat. So you kena buat satu-satu pula kat dalam ni. So you banyak kerja lah. You kena buat banyak kerja. You kena buat. Okay, so you have to do it one by one. Then press enter. There you are. Okay, macam ni tadi, kat luar ni tadi 5 kan. So dalam ni you kena buat 2.5. So fillet, radius 2.5, enter. So you have to click one by one. This one. Okay, it's troublesome for you. This one. This one. And the last edge is this one, and also this one. Oh, this one. Okay, then once confirm, press enter, then enter one more time. Okay, so ini I rasa 10 tadi ni, sepatutnya ni 5. It's okay, no problem. So you have to create like that. So it's quite troublesome for you. So that's why sama juga dengan kes di sini pada bahagian luar ni. So it is suggested kalau you nak create any fillet pada your part, let's say for example like this one, kita buat dulu those related features. Let's say for example, katakan I would like to create my fillet pada di sini. So I create fillet dulu sebelum I apply shell. Okay, so let's say the radius I'm going to make it 10mm. So I buat dulu, pilih dulu pada mana part. Kata di sini I nak buat 10mm. Enter one more time. Manakala pada bahagian bawah ni I nak buat 5mm. Okay, pada keliling bawah ni I nak buat 5. So buat dulu fillet. Okay, fillet radius, let's say 5mm. Enter. Because why? Because shell ni dia akan follow exactly yang luaran, bentuk luaran ni. Bagaimana bentuk luaran terbentuk, macam tu lah shell tu dia akan follow. Dia akan follow with the constant thickness. Okay, with constant thickness. So once after I already selected all lines pada bahagian bawah ni, so I just click enter, then press enter one more time. So that command line ni dah clear. Okay, kalau kita go to shaded with edges, it looks like that. Okay, now I'm going to apply my shell. So as what I did mention to just now, it is much more better you go to X-ray first. Why? Because takut nanti kita terpilih line pada bahagian belakang dia ni. So you go to shell, lepas tu dan select 3D solid. 3D solid ni you can pick any line. Mula-mula sekali boleh pilih any line. Let's say I'm going to pick here. So dah select semua. Dan remove faces. Okay, pilih yang ruang pada bahagian atas ni, I nak remove. Yang ruang kosong di sini ataupun sini. Jangan pilih pada atas garisan ni. Okay, so let's say I'm going to pick here. Nampak dia akan berubah warna. Dan press enter. Baru you press enter. Dan katakan dia punya shell thickness ataupun dia punya wall thickness. Okay, the constant wall thickness, I'm going to make it 3mm. Then press enter. Then exit. There you are. So if I change back to shaded with edges, ataupun kita buat realistic, barulah you perhatikan, nampak semua ni dia akan automatically do it for you. Dia akan follow according kita punya yang outside ataupun our main shape tadi. Okay, sama juga kalau kita nak buat yang ni, kat sini bagian tepi ni dan tepi ni. Okay. So what we need to do is that, of course, definitely kalau kita nak buat di sini, dan di sini. So I'm going to make my fillet, okay, my fillet with radius, let's say 5 mm. I'm going to remove 5 mm, then I press enter. So kata yang terlibat adalah this one, okay, and also this one. Alright. So once after you confirm this, press enter. Yang ni je terlibat. Pasal apa? Pasal kita nak katakan buat kat tepi ni kan. Yang bahagian atas, tepi sini kita akan buang. Kita akan buang dia. So once after confirm like this, just press enter, then enter again. Now we're going to proceed with our shell. Kita pergi kepada X-ray. Alright. Then if you would like to go to shell here, then select 3D solid. This is the 3D solid that we're going to do shell. Then press enter. Mana yang kita kena remove dulu shell, pilih ni dulu, and then kita remove faces. Face ni I nak remove, face ni I nak remove, face ni I nak remove. Okay, that's one. After confirm, press enter. And let's say shell offset dia I nak buat 3 mm, wall thickness dia 3 mm, then press enter, then exit. So kalau you perhatikan antara ini dan ini, okay, kalau kita perhatikan dia berbeza. I movekan ni so you can make the difference between this one. I keluarkan ni dulu, this one, letak sebelah-sebelah. Okay. So kalau you perhatikan di sini, tadi kita tak buat apa-apa pada bahagian luar ni. Bahagian luar edges ni kita tak buat apa-apa, tetapi di sini kita buat radius. That's why bila kita shell kan, dia akan follow juga without any radius. Pasal apa? Pasal dia follow yang bahagian luar ni, main shape dia. Tapi di sini main shape tadi kita dah buat pada bahagian luar ni, kita dah buat 5 mm punya fillet. So yang bahagian dalam ni dia akan automatically follow. Okay, dah kata automatically follow. So I go to shape just like that. Okay, same as also pada bahagian tepi ni kalau you perhatikan. Okay, kalau yang mula-mula tadi I tak buat apa-apa pun, I tak buat apa-apa pun di sini pada bahagian luar, pada main I tak buat any fillet. Yang ni baru kemudian I buat fillet dia kan. So tetapi ini mula-mula sekali I buat fillet, so the inside shape pun dia akan follow. Macam ni inside shape ni dia akan follow yang pada bahagian asal, shape asal. So now once after you confirm this one, barulah you boleh create pada bahagian ni the rest of the fillet. Let's say radius, and this time we're going to make it 10 mm, enter. Okay, I boleh lah lepas tu klik this one, and this one, then press enter. There you are. Okay, so that is how you can play around with this part. Okay, kata kalau yang macam ini tadi, okay, I dah tunjuk pada all this one kan. Alright, so how that sama juga macam ni. Kalau you nak buat lubang, walaupun lubang tembus, kata I nak buat pada bahagian tepi ni, tengok kalau I'm going to move this, I nak gerakkan supaya so that you can have you boleh tengok difference dia. Okay, now I nak buat kat bahagian sini, tapi this time I'm going to create my fillet first. Yang ni tadi tak ada fillet. Okay, I'm going to create my fillet first. That's why yang bahagian dalam ni follow exactly original shape dia. So now the original shape I'm going to change by adding my fillet with radius, let's say 10 mm, enter. So I'm going to pick this one, and this one. Once after confirm, just press enter, then enter one more time. Then katakan I'm going to switch to X-ray, and I'm going to proceed with my shell. Go to shell, part mana yang I nak shell kan. So just click anywhere, just click any lines, it doesn't matter any lines, just click. Then they ask us to remove faces, this, the top one, then rotate. Remember tekan shift, do not release that button, and then press scroll button pada tengah button scroll button pada mouse. Do not release that button. Lepas tu baru rotate. Lepas tu dah nampak kat bawah ni, yang just release both shift button dengan scroll button. Lepas tu you pilih bahagian bawah lah. Jangan pilih pada bahagian atas ni. Ingat pada bahagian atas line ni. Okay. Just press yang bahagian kosong ni. Click this one. Nampak? Lepas tu barulah kita rotate semula. And then press enter. They ask us our wall thickness or shell offset distance. Let's say 3 mm. Tekan 3 mm. Then press enter. Then exit. Nampak So perbezaan dia macam I cakap tadi dengan ni. If I go to shaded with edges, okay, since original shape tadi sebelum kita buat shell, I dah masukkan feature, another feature which is fillet pada bahagian luar ni kan, pada original shape dia. So that's why bila kita buat shell, dia akan follow with a certain thickness, with a certain constant thickness. For this case, dia 3 mm. Okay. For this case, dia 3 mm. Alright. Dia 3 mm. So, dia akan ada constant thickness, tetapi dia akan follow original shape tadi pada bahagian luar tadi. Okay, so that is about the how you going to play around with the shell. Okay, I will show to you one more. Let's say kata I nak buat okay, katakan kita belajar revolve kan. Okay, so I'm going to make it top, so much more easier for me to create this one. Let's say I'm going to go to line here. I just simply draw without any dimensions. And let's say kata because this is okay, katakan bentuk dia macam ni, and then I'm going to like that. Okay, let's see like that. Okay, I just touch this one over here and point so that I'm going to have a green dotted guideline. Kata I'm going to click here and then click here and press escape. So don't forget to join. So I'm going to join all these, then enter, tengok confirm, double check, click anywhere, any line. Okay, confirm, dia dah pilih semua. Okay, so now I'm going to rotate this, and I'm going to let's say revolve. Kita nak belajar revolve kan, revolve. Click this one, then enter. Kita buat axis. Let's say I'm going to pick this point and this point as my axis of rotation. Okay, and then let's say I'm going to make it 180. Dia punya rotation of angle 180 derajat. Enter. And if kita shaded with edges, it looks like that. Okay. So macam saya cakap tadi, sebelum kita apply shell pada permukaan atas ni, kita apply lah any edges yang kita nak apply, fillet ke atau chamfer ke. Let's say I'm going to proceed with my fillet radius, katakan 5 mm. Kata I nak buat my radius tu dekat sini 5 mm. Sini pun I nak buat. Sini pun I nak buat. Dekat sini pun I nak buat. Okay, katakan rotate. Katakan di sini pun I nak buat 5 mm. Sini pun I nak buat 5 mm. Katakan di sini pun I nak buat 5 mm. Alright, sama dengan kat depan. Semua 5 mm. This one also 5 mm. Semua edges ni katakan I nak buat 5 mm. Sama dengan juga. Okay, so once after you confirm, just press enter. Okay, then enter one more time. So now it's time for us to apply our, so dia akan follow dia akan follow exactly our original shape ni. Okay, kalau you tak buat fillet ni, dia akan follow yang you tak buat fillet tu lah, dia bentuk yang tak buat fillet tu. So remember, switch to x-ray. Okay, so easier for you later on to pick the surface without clashing with all those lines. So I'm going to make it shell, select the solid. So this is the 3D solid that I'm going to select. Nampak banyak kan. Okay, so nanti kalau you tak X-ray kan, mungkin you tertekan pada bahagian atas ni. So kata remove faces, I'm going to remove this top. So I just pick yang tak ada bertindan. Sini pun boleh, sini pun boleh. Saya just pick here. Nampak? Itu berubah. Dan press enter. Dan katakan shell offset 3mm. Dan press enter. Dan exit. There you are. So if I change this to shaded with edges or might probably realistic, see how it looks like realistic. So as you can see over here, ini adalah merupakan dia follow, dia akan follow. Pas I dah buat radius tadi kan, pada bahagian-bahagian di sini ataupun fillet, pada bahagian-bahagian tertentu di setiap edges ni, so dia will follow. Kalau you perhatikan, okay, kalau you zoom kan, dia akan follow. Dalam ni pun dia akan follow. Okay, dia akan follow like that. With constant thickness, semua ni constant wall thickness 3mm. Okay, so this is how it looks like lah. Okay, alright. Same to go macam sebelum ni, I dah tunjuk pada you all kalau kita nak buat, let's say katakan piping, sama je konsep dia. Let's say katakan contoh katakan I'm going to have one line here. Katakan I buat 200mm, sini 200mm, and this one over here 200mm. Okay, enter, and let's say I'm going to create my radius. Dia mesti ada radius kan, kalau takkan dia tegak kan piping. So let's say the radius I'm going to make it 50mm. Enter, I'm going to pick this one, and then enter to repeat our last command. Okay, here and here. So don't forget to join all this. And kalau kita nak buat sweep, you remember sweep ada dua parameter, satu object, satu lagi path. So I'm going to change the position of my XY. So supposed to be front. So go to here, then pick front. So macam ni. So now I'm going to create, let's see, I'm going to create a circle here with diameter, let's say diameter I'm going to make it 50. Enter. Lepas tu barulah kita go to sweep, which is our object. This is our object, and they ask us which enter. Then baru path. This is our path. Alright. So now I'm going to X-ray it, and I'm going to proceed with my shell. Which one I'm going to shell? This part. Then I'm going to shell. Then once lepas you dah pilih, dia akan tanya pula remove faces, which faces that I'm going to remove. Besarkan sikit supaya senang I nak pilih. This one, jangan pilih pada atas garisan ni. This surface, nampak dia will change the color. And then I'm going to rotate, I'm going to orbit it ke bahagian belakang ni. Pasal dia mesti lubang tembus kan. Okay, then next is this one. Then they will change. So once after confirm, just press enter. Then they ask us our shell offset distance ataupun kita punya wall thickness. Let's say the wall thickness, I'm going to make it 3mm. Enter. Then exit. There you are. Okay, so kalau kita go to realistic, it will look like that. Okay. Kalau if you still remember, you tengok bulatan ni kenapa dia macam ada bentuk macam ni berketak-ketak ni. So dia sebenarnya go to tools again, show options, dia under display this is okay, kita ada banyak tab ni. Dia under display, it should be under display resolution, make it maximum 20,000 ni maximum display resolution for Autocad, for arc and sector smoothness. Dan plus apply, dan klik ok. Nampak dia dah berubah sikit kan. So there you are, how it looks like. So you can play around with this command, shell command. Okay, you can apply it to any kind of shape. Tetapi remember, macam I cakap tadi, shell ni kita hasilkan pada last kali, aktiviti last kali. Bila kita dah confirm bentuk original luaran, original shape, okay, external original shape of our part, 3D solid part, then bila kita dah puas hati, barulah kita apply kita punya shell pada komponen atau pada 3D part yang terlibat. Okay guys, so hopefully that you understand about this. Kalau tak, you can uh, check balik. Okay, you can tengok balik video ni. Tak apa berkali-kali pun you tengok, tak, no problem. So hopefully that you boleh mahir lah dengan penggunaan shell command ini di dalam 3D solid di dalam Autocad. Okay guys, thank you for your attention, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you very much.